Alright guys, I want to share with you some problem that I figured out with alfaobd regarding my 2012 Dodge Caravan as I tried to modify the country code of the car, but after a while I got stuck and it took me some time before and a full day before being able to find back how to fix this issue. And so I want to share with you, and as I could see on some forums that some other people got the problem, and so yeah, let's go for it, and I show you the issue and how to fix it. Sorry for my accent, as I'm French. I do my best. So, okay, so let's go. So this is the alfaobd. It's a great application on Android, and I'm using Bluetooth connector. So the problem is I want to change my country code, and here I'm stuck, and I will show you how to fix it. So I go to the Dodge Caravan body computer, okay, and I select my control unit and I connect. Okay, so now I'm connected. Okay, this application is not intuitive at all. So I show you. Here, I can read my system ID and I get many informations. I can see if I have any defaults. Okay, so here I have fault. Okay, it's lost communication with the radio, maybe because of changed country code. Okay, so my car I try to modify to a European version in order to display no more MPG but kilometers per hour, and no more miles but kilometers, but I failed. Anyway, I will try to get back to USA configuration, as this car, if I'm not wrong, is built in Canada but it was sold in America. So I will change my country code, many options. First, okay, I show you I can change my car configuration here, but I will not go through this procedure. Anyway, I show you I have my country code here, and I may change it, but okay, I won't use this step. Okay, this application is not intuitive as I clicked on back and I have to reconnect. Okay, so I search again for the change country code. Change country code here. Okay, so up to now it's fine. And I will try to switch back to USA, but first I can see that it's European. So anyway, it's safe to change any country, start, and it will read the configuration. Oh, okay, so I can see that it's in USA mode now. Okay, I did it back. So I will try to go back to European. Next. It says, let's go and start. Okay. Okay. Now says that the option is set as Europe, and I could hear notification because I have airbag problem. The point is, I click on stop and I click on vehicle configuration programmed status, and when I click on start, it says okay, now it's programmed, so it will get as read only. Let's make configuration. I go back to change the country code, and I will try to get back to USA. Start. And next to change. And after a while, I'll get an error, says that there is no back of information, and this information in fact is read-only. Yeah, so this is the main point that I wanted to show you guys. So if anyway I try anything, it will always stay the same. So I can click on another and back to change country code. Try to change again to USA. You can see that it's still in Europe. Next. Okay. Okay, so now it says procedure completed. I changed nothing. Looks like it's fine. Let's see. To door lock. And I go back to change country code. Here. USA, okay, start. Okay, it says that is USA. Okay, yeah, I've clicked too fast. Anyway, so looks like to be a second solution. Anyway, what I wish to show you is if you have this kind of problem, then you can go to vehicle configuration program status. And when I could solve, maybe it's the status was not. If you click on start, then it will say program status to yes and switch to read only. But if you click to stop, then it's no more under programmed status, so it's under programming status. And then I could succeed on change my country code back to USA. Oh, okay, so I hope this helped you guys on solving this issue, if you can get it. And also share you another information that I discovered, that since 2018 there is a new module that is named Security Gateway module. Here, since 2018. Okay, my vehicle is not equipped, but if you have this module, then you may not be able to modify any information. But looks like there exists any cables that allows you to bypass the information and maybe solve your problem. Okay, thank you guys, hope this helped, and you may leave comments or share any information. I would be glad to hear from you. Bye.